If you want to make this amount of money every week, then stay until the end of the video, because today I will share with you one of the easiest and fastest ways to make money online as a complete beginner from anywhere in the world without creating your website, without building your product, and without any social media followers. It does not require any previous skills, and it's 100% free, but all you need is complete focus and follow each step that is shown in the video. But before starting, consider subscribing for discovering new online income opportunities daily. So, let's dive into the video. So, the first thing you want to do is obvious. All you just need to do is go over to clickbank.com. ClickBank is both a marketplace for affiliates and an e-commerce platform for digital content creators. But today we are working as an affiliate marketer here, and I am going to show you a completely new method of making money from this website. But now, all you need to do is log into ClickBank. If you don't have an account, you can create an account from this link. As you can see, signing up is completely free. You may create a free account after filling in all the required fields. You may log in after creating your account. You will see this type of interface after logging in. After that, you need to head over to the affiliate marketplace section right here. You can look for any products in this marketplace, or you can choose from a broad range of categories. From these categories, the ones that are most popular are health and fitness, home and garden, cooking and food, etc. For now, I want to promote health and fitness related products. Simply by looking at the average commission for each product, you can understand how simple it is to earn $1,000 every week from this website. The next thing you must do is order this result by gravity. The ClickBank Gravity Score is a performance metric used to measure the sales momentum of offers on the ClickBank affiliate marketplace. The bigger the gravity score, the more popular a product is. You need to also make sure that the product has its own landing page or affiliate page, because it will increase the chance of the conversion rate. See, this product has a good affiliate landing page and gravity score, so this is the best product to promote. Furthermore, we get a commission of $149.04 every time this product is sold through ClickBank, which is sent to our PayPal account. The most interesting feature is that you continue to get a payment of $29.78 every month for as long as the customer uses this product. You can see that by multiplying 149 by 10, we can make $1,490 per week if we can just sell 10 products per week. And later in the video, I'll demonstrate how you can easily sell 10 products. Click on Promote to start promoting a product, and a pop-up window will open, where you need to set a nickname which is mandatory. You can also set the tracking ID, but it is optional. After setting these two parameters, click on Create Hop Link, and ClickBank will generate your affiliate promotion link. The next step requires you to write a blog post related your product. For this, an AI content writing tool Writer.com will help us. This is Writer.com's official webpage, a better 10x faster way to write story plots, Instagram posts, and so on. See, this AI tool is used by more than 250,000 copywriters, has an excellent rating of 4.9 out of 5, and has generated more than 1.25 million hours of content. You may read some customer reviews from this page, and if you'd like, watch this video to learn more about how Writer.com truly works. So, basically for writing content, you need to click on Start Writing. Then you need to log in using your Google, Facebook, or LinkedIn account or manually. After logging in, you will find this type of dashboard. You must choose a language first, which in this case is English. The tone of your content should then be chosen. In this situation, we need to choose informative. The next step is to choose the use cases. They will present you with a variety of possibilities, but because we want to make a blog post, we must choose this blog idea and outline. The next step is to choose a primary keyword or title. In this case, let's assume we want a blog post on topics like weight loss. Keep these choices the same, and then select Write for Me. So, in this case, our blog article's main headline is The Pros and Cons of Weight Loss Surgery. We are choosing a board keyword here, however, you must set a specific keyword. Anyway, you can do that, but for now, just learn the process of how to do that. We must first create a paragraph around this headline. Simply copy the entire line, click on the paragraph, and magic will happen. You can see that it creates a whole paragraph based on the title in under a minute without our involvement. So, using the same methodology, I created a brand new blog post that you can see here. The next thing you need to do is open a Google Doc file. Then choose a blank document, give it a new name, and copy-paste the whole article onto it. Our blog in this case is about weight loss surgery. Pay close attention now. This is what we need to put in the conclusion section. If you don't want to go for weight loss surgery, then we have a solution for you. We created a product that helps you to lose weight naturally. Click here to know more about this product. Now change this sentence's font and color to make it more appealing. After that, you must select the entire sentence and click on the insert link. After that, copy this ClickBank affiliate link and put it here. Now, behind this sentence, the affiliate link will be hidden. As you can see, this is our affiliate product landing page. The affiliate link can be added inside the article as well, but for now, I'm just pasting it in various places. Our blog post is now complete. Simply click here to download this article as a PDF. Now comes the final step. That is how you get the affiliate commission by recommending this PDF article. I will show you exactly how to do that. But before that, if you feel you have gotten value till now, be sure to smash that like and subscribe button and comment I subscribed. Now you need to go to this website called slideshare.net to promote. It is one of the world's largest professional content sharing communities. Just look at the total number of slides viewed. More than 1,000 people have viewed each of these slides, and these are all the slides that individuals like you and I have submitted. If I go to a similar web and paste this domain here, then you can see that this website generates more than 82.8 million visitors per month, with millions of those visitors coming from countries like Mexico, Colombia, India, and so on. You can imagine how much money we can make by marketing affiliate products on this website. Now, exactly like they did, we must submit our downloaded PDF here. You must sign up on this website for this. Since I've already signed, this will take me to this page. Simply click the upload button now, and then upload the downloaded PDF file here. As you can see, it has started downloading our PDF file. You must choose the category here. I am choosing the healthcare category in this case. The next step is to give your PDF document a relevant and appealing title. Additionally, you must enter 20 keywords based on your blog post here. Here, it claims that when you choose a category, provide a lengthy description, and add more tags, your score increases. The most crucial component is the description. You must create a great description that briefly summarizes your blog post and the importance of your affiliate product. Now just see that our discoverability score is increased. You need to focus on achieving a 100% discoverability score, and now simply select Publish. Our PDF file has been published. You may see this from here if you want to see how it appears. Visitors can download and discover this content in this way on SlideShare. However, this doesn't appear professional or decent. The most popular presentations, as you can see, are PowerPoint slides since they seem more professional and appealing than plain old Word documents. What I suggest is that go to Fiverr.com and search for a presentation design service. Professional PowerPoint designers are all of them. But if you simply limit your budget to $10, Fiverr will show all of the services that are available for that price or less. You can work with a freelancer to create a cutting-edge PowerPoint presentation for you, using the material you have provided. Additionally, for $10 you can get a professional PowerPoint presentation that improves conversion rates. I've explained every step needed to use this strategy to make money online. Now you just implement the steps perfectly. That's it for today. Go and check out my other videos to learn another new way of making money online. See you in the next video.